How can a huge ship float on the surface of the ocean? Opening hook. Imagine standing beside a massive cruise ship. A floating city made of steel. Thousands of passengers. Hundreds of crew members. Restaurants. Swimming pools. Entire shopping areas. The ship weighs hundreds of thousands of tons. And yet, it floats. Not only does it float, but it glides effortlessly across the ocean. At first glance, it seems impossible. After all, if you throw a piece of steel into water, it sinks immediately. So why doesn't a ship do the same? How can something so enormous stay afloat? The answer lies in one of the most fascinating forces in nature. A force that has been helping ships float for thousands of years. The mystery of floating steel. Let's start with a simple experiment. Take a small steel ball and drop it into water. It sinks straight to the bottom. Now imagine a giant cargo ship. It's made mostly of steel too, yet it remains on the surface. The difference isn't the material, it's the shape. A steel ball is compact and dense. A ship is mostly empty space. Inside a ship are huge compartments filled with air. This dramatically changes its overall density. And density is the key to the entire mystery. The rule that controls everything. More than 2,000 years ago, a Greek scientist named Archimedes discovered something remarkable. When an object enters water, it pushes some of that water out of the way. Scientists call this displacement. The displaced water pushes back upward. This upward force is known as buoyancy. The greater the amount of water displaced, the greater the upward force becomes. A ship floats because it pushes aside an enormous amount of water. That displaced water creates enough buoyant force to support the ship's weight. The ocean is literally pushing the ship upward. Every second. Every